ganun din. If this time you ask the Lord, if you are worried, then by prayer and supplication, ask the Lord to help you. And He will guard your hearts and your mind in Christ Jesus. When you had a rough day, because things didn't go smoothly, things didn't go the way as expected. Kasi kung minsan hinilin mo sa anak mo, ganito gawin mo anak, hindi naman nangyari.
Third.
So, sometimes, o kaya minsan, there is rudeness.
Third, dirty and dirty. Third. Third, dirty and dirty.
There is disobedience. Ano ang gagawin natin? Ang reward na inagarate, sabi ng Panginoon, Isaiah 41:10, fear not, for I am with you. Be not dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you, I will help you, I will uphold you with my righteous hand. Just know the Lord that He is your God. He will strengthen you. And there are some intentions. That is another challenge. Especially when your child got into trouble. Tatawagan ka ng principal dahil may nagawang problema sa school yung anak. Or at home, there is an argument. So, in those cases, you experience avoidance. There is anger. There is anxiety and sometimes aloneness. So, when there are some tension, it says in Colossians 3 verses 12 to 14,